Four international students, including Chinmay Deore, have sued the Trump administration. They claim the F1 student visa was revoked without any prior notice or explanation. A lawsuit filed on behalf of the students by the American Civil Liberties Union of Michigan states Chinmay Deore entered the United States with his family on an H-4 dependent visa in the year 2004. He and his family then left the United States in 2008 and returned in the year 2014. After completing high school in Michigan, he enrolled for a program in the Wayne University under the H-4 visa. The 21-year-old undergraduate student at Wayne status, Chinmay Deore, had been studying computer science there since 2021. In May 2022, he lawfully applied for and was granted permission to transition to F1 student status when he was aging out of his H-4 status. He expected to finish his course and graduate in May 2025. He is currently residing with his family in Canton. As per the lawsuit, Chinmay has never been charged or convicted of any felony in the United States. Other than just a speeding ticket and a parking ticket, he has not been charged with any civil infraction, motor vehicle code violation, or immigration law violation. He also states that he has not been active in on-campus protests regarding any political issues. Following graduation, he had planned to exercise his right pursuant to his F1 status to obtain lawful OPT employment. So what happened? On April 4th, the Wayne University notified Chinmay that his F1 student visa status has been revoked. The email he received cited the reason as otherwise failing to maintain status, individual identified in criminal records, check and/or has had their visa revoked. However, the notice provided no specific allegation or further explanation. Mr. Deore maintains a clean criminal civil immigration record and has not received any official notice from the Department of State indicating that his F1 visa has been revoked. According to the lawsuit filed on his behalf, this sudden termination has placed his academic and professional future in serious jeopardy. If removed from the US, Chinmay would be separated from his parents and sister, all of whom legally reside in Canton, Michigan, the lawsuit states. The legal action seeks to reinstate the affected student's immigration status, allowing him to complete his education without the looming threat of detention or deportation. Now, this is not the first time an Indian student has been framed in a fiasco. Not so long ago, Ranjini Srinivasan, a PhD student at Columbia University, self-deported herself to Canada after a student visa was revoked. The administration alleged that she was a terror sympathizer. Ms. Srinivasan has been accused of supporting and sympathizing with Hamas, a designated terrorist organization in the Palestinian region of Gaza. She was pursuing her doctorate in public planning and was on the verge of completing her PhD when the Trump administration revoked her student visa for her alleged involvement in propagating and aligning with Hamas.